feels so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through, I miss you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Airicka. If you guys are new, hey boo, welcome. So if you guys already seen, part 1 is about finding your vendors, and this is now part 2, and I'm going to teach you guys the importance of how to start a business and how to manage your money when starting a business. And I also want to tell you a couple of myths that is kind of going around about starting a business with $0 or starting your, like, you come up with the mindset like, hey, I want to start a business, and go ahead and start a business tomorrow. In some situations that is true, but in most situations, if you're trying to start a skincare business or cosmetic business or hair business, that is kind of like not really possible. So I wanted to go ahead and go over some of those. And so yeah, so stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And also share this video if you guys think that your friends or family can benefit from my videos as well. So thank you. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so I went ahead and I have a few notes here. So like I said, I'm going to be teaching you a way to start your business for the least amount of money. But one of the things that I do want to instill inside your brain is it's possible, but it's not possible to start your business with no money. And the only reason why I say that is because you have to think. You have to get business cards, you have to get the packaging, the poly mailers. So there's no way possible. I mean, it's possible, but it's not quite possible to start your business with no money, because you still have to invest into small things like, you know, the business cards, and etc. And one of the things that I do also want to say is, please do not start your business and you have never ordered from that vendor, you have never tested out their quality, and you have never did anything. You get that order, you buy it finally from the vendor. They can take 2 weeks to give it to you, and you told them it's gonna be 3 to 5 business days. Or they can have fast shipping. You got the order and you realize it's crappy quality, and that's what you're gonna represent your brand as. No, so I want you to go ahead and test out the quality of your vendors. And when you're testing out your quality, this is some of the things that you need to take notes on. So when you do purchase from your vendor, see how long it takes for your vendor to ship it out. See how long it takes for you to get the product, and make sure you are testing out the quality to make sure that it fits your needs, and if that is what you want that product to represent your brand as. So so that's just one thing that I wanted to say, is it's not really possible to start your business with no money, because you have to test the quality of what you are selling. Like if it's like food, if you're selling food, that's great. You know you're cooking, so you know the quality of your cooking. But like if you're selling like onesies, hair, lip gloss, or anything like that, of course, if you're making lip gloss, you have to buy the supplies in order to make lip gloss. Or if you plan to buy the lip gloss from a wholesaler, you need to test the products to make sure that it is safe for your lips. Just because they're doing good and that's working for your business, when you get the quality that may not be the same quality that's what you want to represent your brand with, if you understand what I'm saying. So there's really not a possibility to start your business with $0, you guys. So Yeah, one of the next things that I do want to say, if you are a skincare, if you're wanting to get into skincare, cosmetics, or hair care, making it yourself, that's going to be another impossible way to start your business with no money. But on the bright side, it can take about $30 to $50 to start a skincare, hair care, or cosmetic business. That's about how much the basics ingredients to your products is going to be. Just like distilled water. I know that is huge when you're making skincare and hair care products. Distilled water is only like 99 cents or 70 cents from Walmart or Kroger. So yeah, it's fairly cheap. So I don't want you guys to be in the mindset of, yo, I can start this business with no money. Even when you're doing a drop shipping business, I still want you to test out the quality. I still want you to test out the vendor. Just because they say, yeah, we can ship this out in 3 to 5 days, make sure that they can ship out in 3 to 5 days. Because the worst thing you can do to your customers is lie to them, miscommunications, all of that. And the first impression is the best impression. Because that first order is going to determine if they will continue to shop with you. So make sure you keep that in mind. So make sure you keep that in mind. But one of the great places to go is Alibaba, or if you go ahead and watch the first video that I made, I showed all the vendors of where you guys can go to get the fairly cheap. It's not fairly cheap vendors, because there are some high-end vendors on there, and there's some normal mid-level vendors on there, and then there are the cheap vendors on there as well. It's not really expensive to start a business. I want you to also get out of that mindset. Now with hair, you can go 2 ways of starting off a hair business. You can order a couple of bundles to see how the straight is, the deep wave is, and you can bleach it and you can straighten it while it's still on the wet. Or you can go the other route, and this is the route that I would prefer you to do, is go ahead and get the 3 bundles in the closure or the 3 bundles in the frontal. Make sure you see how the quality is. Is it shedding a lot when you're wearing it? How long can you actually wear it before you notice the quality going out, or if the quality is still good after 3 months? Just because you come up with and that's another thing, just because you come up with an idea today that you want to start your business does not mean you can start your business tomorrow. And some people can do that, some people can't. Just like a hair business, like, oh, you know, I want to go ahead and start my hair business tomorrow, but you haven't tested out any vendors or anything like that. So I want to go ahead and get you guys out of the mindset that you can start your business quick. You can start your business with no money. It's possible, but it's not possible at the same time. So I just want to get you guys in that mindset. But this was kind of like a straight to the point video. Like, I don't really ramble on, and I don't really like space out all of my information. Like, I kind of like get straight to the point, because when I was on YouTube, when I was trying to start, I'm like, yo, just get straight to the point, okay? So I just wanted to get straight to the point. So yeah.